Many pickup trucks from the 1970s look tough and reliable at first glance. But once you look closer, a different story starts to appear. Weak performance, outdated design, and compromises that don't age well. These are the kinds of trucks that seem appealing until you actually understand them. 15. 1973 to 1979 Chevrolet CK10. Work-focused design defines this machine, and once expectations go beyond basic hauling, its limitations begin to show clearly. The 1973 to 1979 Chevrolet CK10 was built for reliability, not refinement, which becomes obvious in daily use. Under the hood sat a 5.7-liter V8 engine, producing 165 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque, with 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 12.5 seconds, weighing around 4,200 pounds. On paper, that seems acceptable, but in reality, it feels slow and effort-driven. From the outside, the truck carries a simple, boxy design that reflects its purpose. It looks functional rather than impressive. Inside, the cabin is basic and utilitarian, offering minimal comfort and almost no modern convenience. Compared to other trucks of its time, it doesn't stand out in performance or comfort. It handles work tasks without complaint, but doesn't provide any sense of engagement behind the wheel. That's where the experience starts to feel limited, as it delivers reliability without refinement or versatility. 14. 1978 Ford F-150. Large proportions define this truck, but size alone doesn't translate into a better driving experience. The 1978 Ford F-150 focused on strength, yet struggled to deliver comfort or responsiveness. It used a 5.8-liter V8 engine, producing 160 horsepower and 280 pound-feet, with 0 to 60 miles per hour in 13 seconds, weighing about 4,500 pounds. The numbers reflect a truck that feels heavy and slow in motion. Exterior styling looks bold and rugged, giving it strong road presence. However, the interior feels dated and basic, lacking refinement or comfort. Compared to competitors, it doesn't offer any meaningful advantage in performance. The driving feel remains sluggish, especially during acceleration. This creates a truck that looks powerful, but fails to deliver a satisfying experience once in motion. 13. 1974 to 1980 Dodge D100. Simple construction defines this machine, and once it's put into regular use, its limitations become easy to notice. The Dodge D100 from this period was designed with durability and ease of maintenance in mind, focusing on basic functionality rather than refinement or driving enjoyment. Under the hood sat a 5.2-liter V8 engine, producing around 150 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, with 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 13.2 seconds, while weighing roughly 4,100 pounds. These numbers reflect a truck that delivers steady performance, but nothing that feels responsive or engaging. From the outside, the design looks plain and functional, with a boxy shape that clearly reflects its work-focused purpose. It doesn't offer much visual appeal compared to other trucks from the same era. Inside, the interior feels basic and utilitarian, with minimal features and very limited comfort, making longer drives less enjoyable. As the experience continues, the performance feels predictable but uninspiring. It handles everyday tasks without difficulty, but lacks any real sense of urgency or refinement behind the wheel. Compared to similar trucks, it doesn't provide any meaningful advantage in comfort or capability. Over time, it simply blends into the background, offering reliability but very little else to remember it by. Some classic trucks aren't as good as they look. 12. 1976 Chevrolet C20 Camper Special. Heavy-duty purpose defines this machine, and once it's used outside of load-focused situations, its drawbacks quickly become no